Hey guys, Mike here. Let me tell you about the Stanley Fat Max razor knife. It's retractable, push it out, and there it is. So there's a lot of great features to this. It makes a quick blade change. This red button on the side, you push it in, so you put your blade out. And I always wear gloves when I do this because I don't want to get cut. But you put pressure on it and the blade comes out. Your extra blades are in the handle. You push these two red buttons, one on either side, and it pops up, and there's storage. Looks like about 5, you could hold about 5 new blades in there. But we'll get one out. Makes it really hard with gloves on, but it's a safety thing. So let's get one out. We'll close this back and put the new blade in. And again, just push the red handle on this side and it'll slide right in. And there you have your blade change. So again, the Stanley Fat Max retractable razor knife, great product by Stanley. Like most of Stanley's products, great. I hope you guys get one and enjoy it like I do. Have a great rest of your day.